Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix translate message not showing on Instagram. In Instagram you just need to let me go to the Instagram here, and in message section in Instagram, if you want to translate a message, you just need to hold on that message and you will find translate option here. So if you can find this translate feature here, then you can just follow these steps. You just need to tap on it, and if you tap on it, it will show the translation here, and you will get the translate message. So if it's hide, if you translate it and somehow accidentally you just click on this hide translate button here, then it will just hide the translate message on your conversation. It will not show that translate message. So you just need to tap on this show translation option here, and you will find that translated message here. So another way that if it's not showing here, make sure that the language that you have got the message on, or you send, or you want to translate, is not your preferred language on your app. For example, my preferred language on Instagram is English. So if I want to try to actually translate the English, here you can see I have hold on it, and if I tap on translate, it will just show me the same text here, same message here. So it won't translate to any other language. If I have a Spanish language for as a preferred language on my this application, this Instagram application, then it will just translate the English language into the Spanish language. So make sure that you you are alert about that, or be aware about that you must need to translate that language different from your preferred language. Now if you want to fix that translate message not showing on your conversation on Instagram, so you can just go to the App Store and make sure that you have the most updated application of Instagram. Here it is. You are using most updated version of Instagram. If there's any update available, then you will find the update button here. Simply tap on the update and it will just update your Instagram application. So and there's another way that you can follow is go to settings. Now tap on general. Now from here go to the iPhone storage, and from here you just need to find out the Instagram application. Tap on show all to get more application list here. So far search for Instagram. Here it is. This is a mistake, pardon me, I have just left it at the very beginning. So when you found this Instagram application on your this device, this section, you can just tap on offload app here and tap on it again. So it will just delete the app, but it keeps its document and data that are associated with your Instagram account and Instagram application. So it will just delete the app with some additional data, and it will just reinstall it on your device. So you won't lose any data according that are associated with your account. So that's how you can give a quick refresh to your Instagram application. So that may solve your issue. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.